He revolutionized physics. He discovered quantum mechanics. He saw deeper into the fabric of reality than almost anyone in history. And Max Planck was absolutely certain. A creator had designed the universe. This is his story. Born in Germany in 1858, Max Planck was a gifted child who could have been a concert pianist but chose physics instead. He earned his doctorate by age 21 and eventually became the director of the Institute for Theoretical Physics in Berlin. Planck wasn't just brilliant, he was a man of principle, shaped by the Christian faith he grew up with. Unlike many intellectuals who abandoned religion, Planck's conviction only deepened throughout his life. Around 1900, physics was stumped. Experiments on how heated objects emit radiation didn't match the theories. It was a huge problem. Planck tackled it and made a groundbreaking discovery. Energy isn't continuous. It comes in tiny, discrete packets he called quanta. This single idea created quantum mechanics, paving the way for Einstein and the entire field of modern physics. Planck's constant, which defines the size of these energy packets, is now fundamental to our understanding of the universe. Yet he remained humble, seeing his work not as a personal triumph, but as uncovering a piece of God's divine design. This is what made Planck so unique. He openly connected his science to his faith. He famously said, "Both religion and science require a belief in God. For believers, He is in the beginning, and for physicists, He is at the end of all considerations." Discovering the bizarre world of quantum mechanics didn't shake his belief. It strengthened it. He argued that all matter exists only because of a force created by a conscious, intelligent mind. Even during the dark days of Nazi Germany, when the regime tried to crush faith, Planck held firm, continuing to attend church and maintain his principles when so many others compromised. His faith was tested in the most tragic way imaginable. His own son, Erwin, was executed by the Nazis in 1945. In the face of such devastating grief, Planck's faith did not break. He found meaning and purpose even in unimaginable suffering. This quiet courage inspired his colleagues who saw in him an example of faith that endures not because it's easy, but because it's true. Planck's discoveries have changed our world, leading to computers, lasers, and all the electronics we use today. But he never sought fame or fortune. He pursued science to understand creation and lived with unshakable integrity. He proved that exploring the deepest levels of physical reality doesn't lead to atheism, but to a profound awe for the Creator. Planck shows us that the greatest scientific minds can also be people of deep, abiding faith. What do you think? Does Max Planck's story inspire you? Let me know in the comments. And for more stories about great scientists who believed in God, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.